Nice. You're either looking for a professional YouTube SEO expert, or maybe you are one and just announcing it with style. Either way, I got you. If you're looking to hire a YouTube SEO expert, here's what you should expect them to help with. 1. Keyword research tailored for YouTube's algorithm, not just Google. 2. Optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags. 3. Custom thumbnails that improve CTR. 4. Engagement strategies, likes, comments, shares. 5. Playlist optimization. 6. Audience retention tactics. 7. Competitor analysis. 8. Use of tools like TubeBuddy, Vidaq, Ahrefs, etc. If you are the YouTube SEO expert and you're building your brand or profile, I can help craft. 1. A killer bio or pitch. 2. Portfolio wording. 3. A Fiverr or Upwork gig description. 4. Even a website or landing page for your services. Which direction are you heading? Offering services or looking to hire?